Hi, old class. So today we're going to do an experiment with Pepsi and Mentos, and we're going to see what happens when you put Mentos inside of soda. Let's go check it out.
You only need a few things to do this experiment. You're going to need a bottle of Pepsi and some Mentos candy. And you also probably want to do this outside like we are. And I put down a cutting board because I didn't want my floor in the kitchen to get all sticky. And you also definitely want to ask your parents if you can do this because it's not dangerous, but it does get to be pretty messy. All right, so the first thing you want to do is open up the Pepsi bottle. So Johnny's opening it up. Okay, now make sure you put it in the middle of the cutting board so it doesn't fall over. Slide it over, guys.
Ready?
Yeah, and then you're going to want to put in some Mentos, and take it out of your hand and just put them in quickly.
Right.
Okay? I would do maybe 2 or 3.
Okay, ready?
And then you're going to want to stand back.
Set, go.
Okay, go ahead.
You missed all
Oh, there it goes.
of them. You gotta wait. You did it wrong.
All right, it's okay. Hey, hi, old class. So now we're going to try the Mentos experiment again. And we have 2 different kinds of soda. We have Diet Coke and we have Coke Zero. So those sodas have a different formula than Pepsi. So we're going to see if these sodas with the Mentos make any difference. All right, so let's try the Coke. Which one do you want to do first? Gabby, you want to try first?
Let's try Diet first.
Okay.
It's already exploding.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready, Johnny?
Oh, stand back. Whoa.
I got wet.
That's okay.
What?
All right, now, I saw Coke Zero. I've seen this done before, and I think this is going to be a pretty big explosion. So make sure you stand back, okay?
I have some more left over, so I could probably try it again.
All right. I don't know if it'll work again. We can try it.
Yeah, it's not going to work again.
Well, we could try it.
We'll try it.
Okay. So, how am I going to do this?
Here, like,
Just start with...
I'll hold it like a funnel, and you gotta put it in.
Oh, you're going to get wet, Gabby.
I'm gonna run.
Move.
Okay, watch out.
Put it in. Ready?
Whoa! Yes, that was definitely the biggest explosion.
Can I try to do this one again?
Oh, it
Sure.
smells.
Okay, try it again, but I don't think it's going to work.
Again, but you could try. Yeah, it doesn't
Yeah.
work the second time. It only works one. And look, the Mentos
It's okay.
are at the bottom. See right there?
Uh-huh. Cool.
If
the
I
bottom.
didn't add any more, I couldn't drink it.
Oh, that's okay. All right, I hope you had fun watching this.
Now that you saw what happened, I want to explain why it happened. So what happens is when you put Mentos inside soda, it causes an explosion. Okay, the reason why that happens is because carbon dioxide is inside soda. And there's sugar on the Mentos. So the first thing that happens is you put Mentos inside the container and it drops to the bottom. So the Mentos are more dense. So the Mentos goes all the way to the bottom, which helps to push the bubbles back up. Then the second thing that happens is that the sugar reacts with the carbon dioxide. And that's what causes the fizzing. So you have fizzing and you have bubbles being pushed up. So that is why there's an explosion when you put Mentos inside soda.